Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to set Siri only for my voice. Now all we need to do is to go ahead and open up our settings, and then we're gonna go down until we can go ahead and see Siri and search. So go ahead and click on this. Now we're gonna be clicking the first option, which is listen for Siri or Hey Siri. And for us to go ahead and set this up, all we need to do is to turn off Siri first, like that. And then we're going to be selecting either Siri or Hey Siri right there. So go ahead and select one. And then let's go ahead and enable this. This will go ahead and continue with the setup itself. So just go ahead and click continue. And then you need to go ahead and read through all of these sentences. So make sure that you are doing this in a quiet place and with your normal voice. And once that you have gone through all of the steps, then you should be able to see something like this, that it is now ready. Then just go ahead and click on done. This will then categorize based on your voice. So you should be able to use Siri. Hey Siri, what time is it? And there you are. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.